Hi guys, it's Mrs. Renfro. This is our second day working on lesson 8. You should have turned in and or graded your homework for today, um, which was page 320. Nope, page 329 was your homework. So this page right here was your homework. That's what was due today. and make sure you are showing work on these and that you're understanding the work. We do have a test coming up. We'll be taking that next Tuesday. And today, also, you're going to get your study guide. I'm giving it to you quite a bit early so that you can work on the problems. You're going to be starting all the way back at page 257, I think it was, is the beginning. Let me just double check here. Page 257 is lesson 1. So you're going to need to know how to do problems all the way through from lesson 1 to lesson 8. 257 all the way through what we're doing today, which is going to be page 331. So make sure you're going through those to review and study. We will be having a Kahoot and a Quizzes to help you study, but the best way for you to study is for you to work the problems out yourself. You can work out problems again from our lesson. You can work out the guided practice problems or anything that's in the book. Go through your homework that you've gotten returned back to you and make sure that you're working on those to help practice. So for today, we're doing the guided practice. We're going to work on that on page 328 to help you review. So if you remember, if you have two mixed fractions or a mixed fraction and a regular fraction, you have to change the mixed fraction to an improper fraction first. And if you remember, you do the whole number times the bottom number plus the top number. So 3 times 2 plus 1 back over the bottom number. It doesn't change, okay? And then you'll have that divided by 1/2. So this is 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7 over 2. And if you remember, we do the keep, change, flip. So we keep this, change the sign, flip the second fraction. And we can simplify here. We can divide 2 by 2 and just knock those out. And then our answer is 7 over 1 or just 7. The second one, they are both mixed fractions, so we have to change them both. So 2 times 3 plus 2, so that's 6, 7, 8 thirds, divided by 1 times 6 is 6 plus 1 is 7, so 7 sixths. And then we want to do our keep, change, flip, so 8 thirds times 6 sevenths. And if we look at like an X, the 3 and the 6, we can divide those both by 3. And we get 1 here, 2 here. So then 8 times 2 is 16. 1 times 7 is 7. And then we need to simplify that. 7, how many times would 7 go into 16? Well, 7 times 2 is 14. So we would have 15, 16. That's 2 left over. And then the bottom number stays the same. So our answer would be 2 and 2 sevenths. Okay, one more here like that. 6 times 3 plus 2 would be 18, 19, 20 over 3. Divided by 2 times 7 is 14, plus 6 is 18 sevenths. Then we have 20 thirds times 7/18. Oops, not 18ths. I messed up, didn't I? 2 times 7, 14, plus 6 is 20. Sorry about that. So this would be 20 when we flip it upside down. Okay, so now we can simplify here by dividing by 20, and they'll just become ones. And then we have 7/3 for our answer, because 1 times 7 and 3 times 1. So then that would be 2 1/3 for our answer. Okay. Now, a word problem here. Let's try that. A box of snack-sized crackers weighs 28 1/2 ounces. Each snack pack weighs 4 3/4 ounces. How many snack packs are in the box? So we're dividing. I think I can work over here maybe. Nope, just right here is where I can start. Okay, so 28 1/2 divided by 4 3/4. Okay, so the 28 1/2, we have 28 times 2, which is 56, plus 1 is 57 halves, divided by, and then 4 times 4 is 16, 17, 18, 19 fourths. So then we do our keep, change, flip. Keep that one, change the sign, and flip that. Okay, now 2 and 4 can both be divided by 2, so that's 1, and that would be 2. 19 and 57. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that 19 times 3 is going to be 57, but let me just check on my calculator here. Yep. So 19 divided by 19 is 1. 57 divided by 19 is going to be 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. So our answer is just 6. But we need to look at what we're 6 of. So how many snack packs are in the box? 6. So I'm going to say 6 packs, or 16 snack packs. Okay. All right. The soccer team has 16.5 boxes of wrapping paper left to sell. If each of the 12 players sells the same amount, how many boxes should each player sell? So we have 16.5 divided by 12. So 16 times 2 would be 32, plus 1 is 33 halves, divided by 12 over 1. Remember, we put whole numbers over 1. So then we do our keep, change, flip. 33 over 2 times 1 over 12. Is that right? Yep. Okay. So let's see. We can't simplify anything. That's really strange. So we have 33 over 24. That will go in one time. And then we need to do 33 minus 24 to see what we would have left over. We'd have 9 24ths left over. And that does simplify. That's strange. We could divide by 3. So then we would have 1 3/8 boxes. So that's our answer there for number 5. I was looking for a way to simplify, but couldn't find it. Oh, I know what it was. We could have divided by 3 here and had 4 here and 11 up there on top. That would have worked. But it's okay. We got it. Okay, so 1 3/8 boxes is our answer there. Now, your homework, like I said, is going to be um, page 331. So 11 is already done for you. So you're going to start with number 12. And I want you to show your work on each of these, just like we did there. If you're not showing it in these boxes, if you're not boxing that off, I want you to get that paper that we're supposed to be working on, the work paper. Um, if we need more copies of that, make sure to let Miss Westbrook know that we're running out, and she'll get you some. Okay. But you need to make sure you're showing your work just like I did. I don't just want the answers. I want you to work it out. Okay. And we're doing down to number 22. Just do the whole page. And that will be due tomorrow. I've noticed that some of you have not been turning in homework, and we're going to start doing lunch detentions for people who are missing homework repeatedly. There's no reason for you to start third quarter out like this with missing assignments. I'm showing you how to do the work on here. Everything is on Google Classroom for you, so it's very easy, even if you're at home. If you're quarantined at home and working remotely, you can do the work. You can do the work if you're at school. Some of you are still at school and you're not turning in the work. So I don't know what's going on, but you need to turn in your homework every day. We do have that test, like I said, next Tuesday. So the best way to study for a test is to do the homework and to practice the problems. All right. So if you have any questions, you can email me. You can ask Miss Westbrook, or you can ask if Mr. Wente is subbing today for you. You can ask him for help. Um, if you're in mandatory, you can ask Miss Sellers for help. Whatever you need to do, but make sure you get that homework done and get it turned in. All right, I will talk to you later, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye bye.